Damn, it's been a minute since I've been on YouTube. What's going on, guys? What a time to be alive. What a time to drop a video, right? Just before lockdown for gyms. So yeah, new lockdown. Great for the UK. Wonderful leadership. Wonderful fucking leadership. Great leadership. I can taste the quality of the leadership. Fucking ridiculous. The one place that has the lowest coronavirus rates, infection, is being closed. And the one place that actually helps, the one place where people have actually started swarming in, not swarming in, yeah, they have. People that I've never seen before in the gym. I'm in the gym every day as a PT, from early till late. And I see people place faces I've never seen before, trying their ass off with other PTs, trying to lose weight and stuff like that, and getting programs and trying to get healthy. And then you close the gyms. And then you offer, what was it now? Discounts on food, eat out to help out, when the majority of people that eat out eat shit food. You're not helping the situation. The logic is the leaders of this country, of the UK, right now acting like a barrel of monkeys. It doesn't make no damn sense. Not for the people anyway. In fact, not even for the economy. Like, if I seen, okay, at least to prioritizing the economy, because at the end of the day, stronger economy, better country, right? But obviously, prioritizing many other lives is never a good thing. But at least it's something. They're not even doing that. It's none of it makes fucking sense, and it's pissing me off. Yo, it's pissing me off. It doesn't make no damn sense. A little update with myself. Dedicated myself to be competing next year. Tore my pec slightly. Recovered from the coronavirus. What else? Yeah, that's about it, really, guys. So I caught the coronavirus. Let me tell you. Do you know people that say, "Oh, I'm sure I caught it early in the year"? It's a bit like it's just like a flu. You know, I'm sure I caught it. You know, it ain't like no damn flu. Trust me, it's not like the flu. If the flu consists of your lungs being almost useless to do anything more than walking, if the flu consists of literally not being able to taste shit, which is a paradox to me because I love food, so I can see a food that I love, but I can't smell or taste it. It's especially the taste factor. I could smell certain things, but taste was gone. Yeah, it's not the same. And you don't lose your appetite. So I lost like 5 kilos, man. And because I'm naturally, I don't really carry that much body fat. Yeah, I didn't lose. I lost what I didn't want to lose. Let's put it like that. So putting on that muscle back on now. Training's kicking itself back up. Chest hair that I sustained a few months ago, pretty much all but gone. Just gotta make sure my tendonitis stays at bay so I can keep pressing that weight to get wham. I got some pretty crappy footage of my chiropractor treatment, my last one. There's a few good shots in there, but I'm gonna record a much better one, clear with a mic, talk to my chiropractor to say what's wrong, because I know a lot of people actually suffer from the tendonitis that I do, which is in my shoulder. You know, basically the rotator cuff, inflamed as hell, from pressing throughout the years and never really prioritizing mobility or prioritizing recovery to that degree. Obviously muscular recovery, yes, as a bodybuilder, but not connective tissue recovery. That's something that we all need to focus on a lot more, especially when we get over the age of like 24, man. Like 23 maybe. Now for me, I think after 23, shit started falling apart and I didn't have a reason why. I tried to act like I was when I was 19, it just wasn't happening. So you just gotta take care of yourself, you know. More money expenditure. Lovely, adult life. Big back. Yeah, big back training. Yeah, check out the new video that I've just uploaded. The back strength is definitely coming back for bent over rows, especially. Pretty much everything really, which is great because after coronavirus you are so weak. If you've had it, this is my advice. If you've had coronavirus, don't rush in back to training normally. Ease yourself in. Anything cardiovascular, I'd say avoid. Just go for walks. Literally walk. Do not run. You will cough up a demon. You will cough up Satan's arsehole. I don't know why I said Satan's arsehole, but you'll cough something up. Alright? So my advice, if you have coronavirus, you've had coronavirus, because it's rife in Manchester right now where I live. But it's rife everywhere really. Yeah, don't do any cardiovascular activity, or just limit to the amount you're doing. In terms of muscular training, so resistance training, bodybuilding training, if that, whatever, powerlifting, yeah, you can still lift like that to that capacity, but your strength would have gone down, your connective tissue wouldn't be as strong because you're a lot more sedentary when you have coronavirus. So just be careful with that. Just be mindful of that. So don't lift it. You might feel like you can lift this heavy, things might feel a little bit normal, but trust me, your connective tissue, for me especially anyway, wasn't the same. So especially with squats, I had to be careful. My knee just felt a little bit funny for no reason on 100 kilos. Man, I can squat jump with 100 kilos. It's literally nothing. So it's you just gotta be careful, all right? Ease yourself into training properly and you will be sweet. That's enough talking shit. I'm gonna go train back, but check out this back day that I actually trained. You guys are gonna love this bit of footage. It's a solid back day as well. Plenty of exercises, hitting the back from all sorts of angles. But yeah, I'm gonna go train now because I got that itch, you know what I mean? So I gotta go train. But yeah, good to be back on YouTube, guys. Hope you like the video. Like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Such a generic term now, isn't it? Like, share, subscribe, innit? Like, share, subscribe, innit? Fucking hell. Alright, guys, take it easy. I'm out. Next video coming soon.
Trespass into the domain of the gods and use that might to conquer Jiren. Do it, Kakarot! Warrior.
Is one thing, just don't hold back, it needs to be done. Oh god.
Okay, so tell me what happened first.
Okay, so chest, training chest on Monday, everything went fine, thank god. Tuesday done back, everything was fine. Today was shoulders, eased myself in, like the pain. It wasn't sharp, but it was
shoulder
like,
press, yeah?
Only shoulder press, lateral raises was fine.
Only on the right side?
Only on the right side, same side as always.
Okay, fine. Now out. Hold it there, stop me from pushing it. Is that painful?
No.
Turn it down, turn it down, turn it down. Hold it there, is that painful?
No.
Hold it there, hold it there. Is that painful?
No.
This is painful.
No, bro, I know how much it's gonna be.
Just ice it, don't try.
Yeah, I know. And another one, isn't it? Okay.
I wish people could see your expression right now.
My clients would be so satisfied if you recorded this.
Just can't see your face. Need one camera from here as well. Shoulder here. Push the elbow up as hard as you can go. Put it down. Right one. That's really good.